The return of the Ford CL9000 in 2025 is nothing short of a revival story, a bold comeback of a legendary Cabover truck that once ruled America's highways. Designed to merge the spirit of the original 1970s workhorse with the innovations of 21st century technology, the 2025 Ford CL Cabover is not just a retro-inspired novelty, it's a high-performance, high-efficiency, purpose-built machine for the modern long-haul world. This new iteration reflects Ford's commitment to heritage while adapting to the future of freight, logistics with aerodynamic enhancements, advanced powertrains, and digital driver interfaces, reigniting a nameplate that had long vanished from the mainstream trucking scene. Built on an entirely re-engineered Cabover chassis, the 2025 CL90 combines lightweight materials like high-strength aluminum and reinforced composites with the redesigned aerodynamic front fascia that pays homage to the flat-nose, forward control design of the original. Unlike the long-nosed conventional trucks dominating the American market, this new Cabover configuration offers improved maneuverability and a smaller turning radius, ideal for urban and tight-load operations, especially as last-mile logistics and regional hauling gain traction. Powering the CL9000 is a Cummins X15 Efficiency Series engine, tuned to deliver up to 500 horsepower and 1,850 pounds FTI of torque. Paired with an Eaton automated manual transmission, the powertrain is optimized for both fuel economy and high-load performance, making it a competitive force for fleets seeking modern capability without abandoning diesel infrastructure. Compared to modern rivals like the Freightliner, Cascadia, or Volvo VN, the 2025 CL9000 stands out not just in visual styling but in practical utility. Where Cascadia and VNR favor long-nosed comfort and high-efficiency aerodynamics, the CL90 reclaims Cabover benefits such as better road visibility and compactness, while integrating advanced driver assistance systems, full LED lighting, digital cockpit clusters, and an optional sleeper cab that rivals the comfort of conventional Class 8 tractors. With Ford's advanced telematics and predictive maintenance support systems built in, it offers operators a fleet solution with deep diagnostics and real-time performance tracking. Historically, the Ford CL90 represented a cornerstone of the American trucking boom in the 1970s and early 1980s. It was known for its unique tilt cab design, rugged dependability, and a reputation as a driver's truck. However, by the mid-1980s, Cabovers fell out of favor due to changing regulations and driver preferences, and Ford eventually exited the heavy-duty segment. As regulations tighten and electric platforms rise, this new CL90 evolved into a battery electric or hybrid variant, offering a transitional design for fleets not yet ready for full electrification. It's a rebirth that looks backward with pride and forward with purpose.